Okay, so today we are going to go through how you can download it if you can't find it in the Amazon App Store. Now, recently, this is April 2025, and recently Spanish users have found that they can't find the downloader app, the popular app which allows you to sideload apps onto your Firestick or your Fire TV Cube or your Fire TV. They've not been able to find it in the App Store. And when I say App Store, what I mean is you go to the magnifying glass from the main screen and then go down to search, middle button on the remote control, and you type downloader. And normally as you're typing it, it comes up as a suggestion. Now, quite often in Spain, this has come up as a suggestion. You've highlighted it, middle button on the remote control, but quite simply, downloader just hasn't been there. So what else can you do? Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. Well, first things first, I'm going to go through a few ways. Let's go for the easiest first. If you've got a microphone button on your remote control, then press and hold that microphone button on the top and then say downloader and then let go. And there you go. Hopefully it should come up. If it still doesn't come up, then what do? We go back to the main menu and then go across to these three boxes and the plus sign there. Go down and you will see this orange and white App Store. Go into there, then go down and across to all categories and then go down to utilities just down there, middle button, and hopefully somewhere in there you should see downloader. As you can see on mine, it's the first app, but if it's not the first app, then have a look down there and see if you can find it. Okay, so if you still can't find it, then the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need an Android phone or an Android tablet, and you're going to need to go into the magnifying glass there, down to search and start to type send, S-E-N-D. And as you're typing it, hopefully you should see send files to TV. Highlight that, middle button on the remote control, and then you want to highlight this icon here, the send files to TV, the light blue and the dark blue with the two arrows, middle button on the remote control, middle button again to start downloading and installing this. Sorry, if you are an Apple user, you won't be able to follow this. Unfortunately, you're going to have to borrow a friend with an Android phone and get them to do this for you. The next thing you're going to need to do is go on to your Android phone or tablet and then go into the Play Store and then tap on search at the bottom and search again. So tap into search apps and search for send files to TV, and then hopefully it should come up. So tap on it when you see it, scroll up or down until you see the same icon there, and then tap install. And then once it's installed, you want to come out. So just press the back button or the home button to go back to the main screen. And then you want to open up your browser, which is usually going to be Chrome. Mine's just at the bottom of the screen there. So tap on Chrome. Then you want to tap in the search or type box and type in there cwtek.co.uk/D. That's all in lowercase and no spaces. Pause this video if you need to jot this down. Then once you've done that, press the blue and white arrow at the bottom right hand corner of the keyboard. And then if you see this, then obviously consent or manage your options. And then you want to scroll upwards, and what you're looking for there is downloader. Actually tap the word downloader, the one that's in red below the icon. If any adverts come up, then just close them down. And now, as you can see, it's downloaded the file. So what we want to do is we want to close this down. So just press the home button. Let's just go back to our Firestick for a second, and we need to open the app send files to TV. So go across to these three boxes and the plus sign over there on the right, middle button on the remote, and then go down to send files to TV, middle button. And then just go through this guide here. And we want to allow send files to TV to access your photos, media and files on the device. So make sure that allow is highlighted, because if it isn't, then it's not going to work. So make sure it allows highlighted, middle button on the remote. And then we want to go over to receive there, middle button. Let's go back to the phone and tap on send and receive files, which mine is just up the top left hand corner. Tap send. And it says here, in order to send and receive files, send files to TV needs your permission to read and write files on your device. So OK that, and let's allow this. And then we want to scroll upwards, consent this if we need to, and go to download. So tap download, and then again scroll up, and we're looking for downloader.apk. There we go, there it is, downloader.apk. Tap on that, and we want to select our Firestick. Now, I've got 2 Firesticks here listed. Now, I need to know which one it is I need to send to. So let's just get rid of the phone for a second off the screen. Let's go back, and back again, and back again, and right the way back to the beginning. Go across to the settings cog. Okay, go into network, then press the play pause button, and then go into advanced. And here we are looking for the IPv4 address. So there it is, just at the bottom. So mine says 192.168.10.190. So that'll tell us which device it is that we want to send to. So go back, let's go back to the 3 boxes there and the plus. And remember that, remember what's on yours. Okay, let's just go back into it and go back into receive mode. And let's get our phone back up. Now we might need to restart send files to TV, but I'm going to give this a go. So I'm going to tap on the address I just read out. Now yours is going to be different. So mine was 192.168.10.190. So let's tap that. And there you go, it's now transferring the file. So the downloader file is now on my Firestick, but I've got to install it. So let's press the down part of the arrow on the remote control to darken where it's got downloader. Press the middle button and just see if this works. Click on open or tap open. If it comes up with any security warnings, then what you might have to do is allow any warnings here. Go across to install, middle button on the remote control, and let it install. There you go. Once it says it's installed, go to done, and then come right out of this, and there is downloader just there. If you've got a newer stick and you try going to open and it does nothing, then we're going to have to download another app. So come out of send files to TV, go back to the main screen, go across to the magnifying glass, down to search, middle button, and search for Total Commander. And as you're typing it, you should see it appear in the list below. Highlight that, middle button on the remote control. Highlight this white, blue and red and black Total Commander, middle button, and then middle button again to install. And then once you see open app, middle button on the remote control, accept the terms and conditions, go down to downloaded files, middle button on the remote control, and here is where it's going to ask to give access. So OK, and then just go into where it says denied, middle button, and then go allow all files. Press the back button a couple of times, and then you want to find downloader.apk. Middle button on the remote control, and then make sure that install's highlighted. Middle button again. And now if it comes up for your security, your TV is not allowed to install apps from this source. Middle button on the remote control with settings highlighted. Go into install unknown apps. Then go down the list and find Total Commander. It will probably say off underneath it. If it does, highlight Total Commander, middle button on the remote, and that turns it on. And then keep pressing the back button until we get back to here, and then press the middle button again. Go down to downloader once again, middle button, then make sure install's highlighted, middle button again, and then go across to install. Now, if you did have any problems installing this, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go across to the settings cog and then down and across into My Fire TV. Go to developer options. Now, if you don't see developer options, then what you need to do is you need to go up to about, middle button, highlight the name of your stick. As you can see, mine says Fire TV Stick 4K, and just keep tapping the middle button on the Firestick remote control and keep tapping it until you see no need, you're already a developer. Then stop tapping it. Press the back button once, then you should see developer options. Go down to developer options, middle button, and if here you've got apps from unknown sources and it's switched off, then highlight it, middle button on the remote control, middle button again, and that turns it on. Then you want to come back out and go right the way back to the beginning until you get to the home screen, and then go across to the three boxes with the plus sign, go into that, go back into send files to TV, go down to receive, so that receive is highlighted, middle button, and there you should see still there is the downloader app. So press the down part of the ring on the remote control a couple of times and see if that highlights in black. If it doesn't, then try pressing the up part and you'll see the arrow on the left hand corner gets highlighted. Then press the down part of the ring once, then press the middle button on the remote control with open highlighted, press the middle button again, and then go across to install and let it install. Once downloader is installed, press done, come out of this, okay, and then go into downloader, and then if it asks allow downloader to access photos, media and files on your device, go to allow, and then middle button on the remote control to get rid of this quick start guide, and then there you go, downloader is installed. Now you might need to go back again at this point to the settings in the top right hand corner, go down to My Fire TV, go into developer options, and then go into install unknown apps, go down to downloader, it should say off underneath it, highlight it, middle button on the remote control, that'll turn it on, and that means downloader will be fully able to download stuff to your stick, and you'll be able to sideload apps. Now you might be thinking, well, what do I do with the downloader APK file that I've installed? Well, what you could do is you could download something like, I don't know, Total Commander, and as you can see, as I'm typing total there, it comes up Total Commander, highlight that middle button, install that app just there. So let's just download it. Once it's installed, go to open app and just accept the privacy and allow it access to your photos, media and files on your device. So make sure allows highlighted. Go down to downloaded files, and there we have got downloader in there. So you can press and hold the middle button on the remote control, go down to delete, middle button, and then highlight yes, middle button again, and that gets rid of it. But obviously, if you do want to keep it for future, then by all means, keep it in there. Just takes up a bit of space on the device. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon, Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing, and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family, or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X, I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website, it's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.